We're back with another quick recipe that's made with just 4 simple ingredients. Protein cookie dough. You can eat this as is to knock out the sweet tooth without the guilt, bake it, or use it as a topping. So let's jump right into it. All you need to make it is a bowl and something to mix everything together with. Add right into your bowl 1 scoop of a vanilla or chocolate protein powder, 32 grams of a nut butter like peanut, cashew, or almond, 13 grams of honey, and 28 grams of Greek yogurt. Mix those ingredients together until your cookie dough is formed. It should get a bit clumpy before turning into your dough. If it doesn't get clumpy or it's too sticky, add a little bit more protein powder till it has the right texture. Alternatively, if your cookie dough is too thick or dry, you can add in a bit more Greek yogurt. This is what I would consider to be 1 serving. So if you want more, multiply the recipe by however many servings you want, or use a website to scale it. From here, you can either eat it right away, put it in the fridge for 20 to 30 minutes, my preference, or shape it into cookies and bake them on 350 for around 5 minutes. You could also use this cookie dough as a topping on something like a rice cake. Let's see how it turned out. Couple of tips for this one. Number 1, if you're watching your sugar and want chocolate chips in it, use some sugar-free chocolate chips. Number 2, if you don't want it to have a peanut butter taste, I suggest using a more neutral tasting nut butter like cashew or almond. And number 3, mix and match your protein powder and Greek yogurt flavors for endless cookie dough variations. Now it's time for the review of the day. Today I'm going to try this red lentil pasta for the first time, so let's prepare it. First impressions, it looks like pasta, feels like pasta, but does it taste like pasta? I'm gonna try it without any sauce, no cheese, no oil, just raw dog it.
Let's get weird!
And see where it goes from there. I'll keep it simple. Texture, 7.1. Taste, 1 more. Taste, 6.3. It's pretty good. I can definitely still taste the lentil. Would I eat this? Absolutely. Do I think it's worth trying at least once? Absolutely. I think that's it. If you want me to do more of these reviews instead of tips, or tips and reviews, mix it up, let me know. All right, before we end this one, I'm gonna quickly shout out our website, theproteinchef.co, for one main reason. All of our new recipes have the gram and milliliter conversions within the recipe card. If you can't find something within the video, you can almost always find it within either the post or recipe card linked below. Let me know if there's any other changes you'd like to see on there too. I'm always trying to make it a better user experience. With that said, thank you all for watching. If you like these quick and simple dessert recipes, hit that thumbs up button and we'll do another one. Subscribe if you haven't already. We're almost to 350,000. Follow us on socials at The Protein Chef, and of course, stay healthy. Also, there's something in the background of this recipe video that wasn't there in the past recipe videos. Down on the stove, you can name it and you're the first one to do it. I'll send you a shaker bottle. Leave a comment. It's pretty good. I can definitely still taste. Excuse you. This is who rudely interrupted me. My cat Lana, or Svetlana. Do you like the cameras? Say hello. Oh, you don't like it? Yeah, all right.